You're learning how to get comfortable watching a narrative unfold. Now, the narrative that you're outlining in your mind may or may not be active or correct. But in the beginning, you're trying to discover what triggers you feel. Do you feel nervous? Do you feel elated when things are working in your favor? And when you do feel concern about being wrong or overconfident, where does your mind go? And you need to journal those things. And what do I mean by that? You start thinking about how if you would have had X amount of contracts on, this is how much you could have made. Or if you were seeing it go against what you expected to see it do you find yourself thinking, this is harder than I want it to be? I wonder if I'm going to be failing forever at this. Trigger moments like that. It's going to help you figure out where your toxic thinking is. And that's the person inside you that's going to derail you. And you have to recognize what that is and how that person inside you thinks. That's the part you're hiding. You pretend it doesn't exist in the mirror, but it's staring at you every single morning when you get up and you look in the mirror. That's the person you're seeing, but you hide it from everybody else. And in trading, you have to find out what makes them tick, because if you can control them and wrestle them into submission, you have a better chance of being successful. Okay, so that right there would be enough for me to say, okay, I'm going to protect the stop. I'll move to the sidelines and be done. It would only been a very small portion, probably one or two contracts on a micro basis, and the position here closing, below here closing, below here closing, that would be sufficient and enough. In this sell side here. So there was one, two, three, four targets hit.